For most Americans, mosquitoes are a summertime annoyance. Florida must now treat them as a public health menace.
4 people in our state likely have the Zika virus as a result of a mosquito bite. This means Florida has become the first state in our nation to have local transmission of the Zika virus.
As far away as Galveston, Texas, some express apprehension and helplessness.
It does concern me for my children and my grandchildren. Yeah. But I don't know whether it's going to do any good to be real worried about it, because if it's here, it's here.
The Florida cases confirm what health officials predicted months ago.
We are very likely to see isolated cases of mosquito-borne Zika.
From Congress so far, plenty of talk.
We need to act, and we need to act right now.
But not a single dollar has been approved to target Zika. The Senate initially agreed to $1.1 billion of new spending. But negotiations between the Republican-led House and Senate yielded a bill with stipulations Democrats could not support concerning an abortion provider, the environment, and the display of the Confederate flag.
What did the Republican leadership in Congress produce? Unfortunately, they produced a package that is totally partisan and destined to fail, and they knew it.
Senate Democrats blocked the bill ahead of a 7-week congressional recess. Members of both parties pointed fingers.
It's inexplicable and unacceptable to not be able, on a bipartisan basis, to address this important public health care crisis.
Zika is expected to spread beyond Florida.
Miami has a very similar climate as Houston. Miami has the same mosquitoes as Houston and across the Gulf Coast. And so this is of urgency.
Lawmakers will continue the battle over Zika funding when they return to Washington in September. For now, local and state governments must do the best they can to monitor and control mosquito populations with existing resources. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.